Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's update our current view on the euro currency. Well, you can see some development to the upside has happened as we have suggested yesterday, because market stands really valuable support. That's confluence daily support, natural support, spread swing high. Also by this candle market has hit daily oversold. So some upward bounce, some upward retracement currently looks absolutely reasonable. The major concern now is whether it will continue a bit higher or market just turn to the downside again. Although our major view is bearish and we have the patterns on the higher time frames that should lead market lower to an area around 131.50 area. Our major moment that we should keep an eye on is whether we could take the short position. And currently, as we have discussed yesterday, in general, this thrust down could become the setup for the Jordan Apple brand body sell. If market really would give us the brand body sell, the task for a short entry could become really easy compared to the situation that we have now. But to become the brand body sell, market should show retracement at least to this area. It's 135 even. This is major 3-8 resistance, because the brand body trade assumes that market should hit significant resistance level, fib level, within 1 to 3 trading sessions above the 3x3 moving average. This green line is the 3x3 moving average. So today's session could become the first day above the 3x3. So and we will have 2 more sessions when the market still could reach this resistance. If this will happen till the end of the current week, then we have chance to get the brand body sell trade and to take the short position with it. In general, appearing of this trade, appearing with the brand body, could become really great assistance for us. Well, but currently, at least on the daily time frame, it's very difficult to say whether market will continue to move higher or not. Because currently, you see the trading session is really small and the price action on intraday charts is very choppy. On the 4-hour time frame chart, yesterday we have suggested that market could show in general the small another leg down, because that was the stop grabber. Market was forming the brand body buy trade. That was really possible. But take a look what has happened. Market has tested the pivot point and shows, in terms of the 4-hour time frame chart, not bad candle to the upside. That's moving above the weekly pivot point and shifting the short-term sentiment on the bullish side. Well, guys, maybe appearing of that sort of action could tell us that probably market could reach this area. That is, just to remind you, that is our major area to watch for, because it includes the weekly pivot resistance one with the fib resistance and take a look previous consolidation. So if market will reach it in the same manner, then gradually to the upside, and will stick with it inside of it, well, that will be simultaneously the brand body sell on the daily time frame chart, and maybe we will get some pattern here, short-term pattern that led us to enter short. Well, I hope that market could still reach it, mostly due to the price action that it has shown yesterday. So it hasn't moved to the downside, although it had chances to show this, because butterfly was really obvious here. This really could happen, but that hasn't happened. So market just continue move to the upside, so shown this splash throwing above the weekly pivot point. That is, in general, it's some probability to the continuation of further to the upside. And take a look, the price action is really very harmonic, very gradual and smooth. That is what we would like to see when the market stands at the retracement. We don't want to see such sort of candles, but to the upside when the market stands in retracement. That's not what we want to see. The price action that here we have now is all that we need. Well, that being said, the final moment is that we should wait for is to get the confirmation that market will reach this area. Well, guys, if we measure the swings to the upside, for instance, and assume that this could be some kind of the ABCD to the upside, well, in general, market has the potential to continue slightly higher, but it's very difficult to call it as the ABCD, because this is really more as the small pennant broken to the upside. Probably market could continue move slightly higher. Anyway, I think that currently we still should wait a bit and start to think about the taking position only when the market hit the 135 area, around 135, 135.20 area, somewhere on this level. Maybe we will start to search for the possibility to take short position. Maybe we will get some patterns there, or at least something that let us to know where to enter. Besides, if market, as I said, will hit 135, 135.20, we will get the daily pattern. That will be quite another tune compared to the current situation. Currently, market stands in some kind of the semi-position, because it hasn't quite reached the significant resistance to take the short position, but still market in the retracement, and currently the price action it's not very impressive to take the long. That's why I think that maybe today we still need to wait a bit, at least until tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we will get some more signs.